Monday.com Free Plan Review 2024. Is this the best free project management tool? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving you a clear guide and review on how Monday.com works, what it provides you on the free plan, and is it actually worth it? Now, obviously, it's totally free, so you're not really losing anything, so it is definitely worth whatever it's giving you because it's not worth anything. Because you're not giving them any money and you're taking in their services. So basically, even after watching this video, do make sure to give it a try because you're not going to lose anything by giving it a try. So please do make sure to use it for yourself as well. But I'm going to go over it as much as I can and explain it to you fully. So to start things off, we're going to come to Monday.com's main website. Now over here, it gives us a basic idea platform built for a new way of working, creative and design, software development, project management, etc., etc. Now, obviously, I'm going to use the project management aspect of it, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Get Started. Now, once we go and click on Get Started here, it's going to say, Welcome to Monday.com, name and company. You're going to let them know your business email. So here we have our business email. I'm going to paste it here and click on Connect. Now, once you click on Connect here, it says Create your account. So first of all, you have your full name. I'm going to add that. Then it says you need to enter your password. So please do make sure to go ahead and add the proper password for yourself. Hey there, what brings you here today? So you have work, personal, school, nonprofits. Whatever your purpose is to actually start working on Monday.com, you're going to let them know. So obviously, I come here more for a work method. So what best describes your current role? You could be a business owner. You could be, a team leader, team member, and you could be a freelancer, director, and a whole lot more. Then there's things like C-level, VIP, VP, whatever you have. You can add these things for yourself in the easiest way. So let's say in this case, I'm going to go ahead with, let's go with team leader. I'm going to go with that and I'm going to click on next. Now, once we go with that, how many people are on your team? So it could be only me, 2 to 5, 6 to 10. I'm going to go with 6 to 10 for now. It's a reasonable number. Now, once you go with that, it says how many people work at your actual company. So there's 1 to 19, 20 to 49, and a whole lot more. So I'm going to go with 1 to 19 and click on continue. Now select what you would like to manage first. There's PMO, there's legal, operations, marketing, product management, IT, design and creative, and a whole lot more. I'm going to go ahead with, let's go with marketing. Let's go with product management, design and creative, whatever you want to go with, you can go with that. So right now, I guess PMO is best because project management is what I'm here for. And I'm going to go with project management, click on continue. One last question. How did you hear about us? I'm going to go with some YouTube ad and click on continue. Now, obviously, this is totally free. Whatever we did it on the free plan. And the free plan provides you so many things that I'm going to show you. Like you saw the basic setup process. The sign up was pretty simple. It's going to say, invite people to your team. So the free project actually gives you the privilege to invite people to collaborations as well. Then it says, let's start working together. Give your board a name. Get like marketing plan, sales pipeline, quarterly roadmap. You can create your first board. I'm going to call it new space. And once you do that, you're going to click on next. It says, let's select the relevant columns for your board. Choose from the most popular column types for your work. Then there's owner, status, due date, budget, files, priority, last updated, notes, timeline, and a whole lot more. So you can actually add more things into your board if you want to, but I'm going to keep it limited for now. So there's the owner of the board, there's the status, the due date. Let's say I'm going to give it priority as well, and let's give it a timeline as well, and then we're going to click on next. Select one of the items you'd like to manage. So projects or tasks. I'm going to go with projects, okay, right now and click on next because it's not task management, it's project management, right? Now, it says add a view layout. So first of all comes your basic table view, which is in a way your list view, all right? Now, that's the basic view, the default view, as I like to call it. Then there's cards, okay? There's Gantt, there's calendar, timeline, and Kanban. And just think of this, you're getting all these views in the free plan. And Usually, you could go to any project management software that you have out there. Usually, you will not get these privileges in basic plans for yourself. So I'm going to repeat it: table, cards, Gantt, calendar, Kanban, timeline. So you're going to get all these functions in all these views. Pretty incredible, pretty great, pretty nice stuff to get your head along. So I'm going to go with the table chart right now, and I'm going to click on next. Now it says list your actual projects. Okay, project one, project two, project three, add whatever you want to. Click on next. Group projects to better organize your work. So, you can choose different things in this month, you can choose different things in next month, and then get started. So, as you can see till now, the free plan gives us a pretty good suite of features to use and totally for free. Pretty incredible, right? Now, obviously, the task management is pretty simple. Just go to any task, write an update in it, close it, you're good to go. Then, if you want to switch your views or add multiple views, you're simply going to come up here, click on Add View. You get Table, Gantt, Chart, Calendar, Kanban, Files, Gallery, Form, Blank, View. And this is the best part, you get apps. Now, let me get into apps in a second. Let's say I want the Kanban view. Kanban views are pretty, popular, and they're mostly used on things like Trello, right? Now, calendar view is pretty popular because you can just drag and drop, open something up, change its updates, drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop. So, that's what a Kanban view can help you in. Then there's different views like calendar views if you want to get an idea of when you have the deadlines, when you need to meet the deadlines. There are different charts that you can use for yourself. There's different calendars and a whole lot more. So those are pretty incredible things as well that you're going to need to keep an idea of. Then there's things like main table. It gives you a timeline. There's priorities, due dates, status, owners, project, timelines, and a whole lot more. So these are pretty fun things to use in the free plan. And then moving on, we have integration. So these are the apps that you can use. And trust me, all of these are for free as well. So just think about it. You get all these things, all these apps to integrate like Asana, Box, Gmail, Google Drive, Dropbox, Harvest, Outlook, Trello in as itself. You can even use Trello, the very own Kanban board master. You have Stripe, MailChimp, Zendesk, and all these things to integrate totally for free. And then we can also move on to automations. You can create your very own custom automations just to help you ease your work and totally for free. Now, obviously, when you use other platforms, like you could use Trello, you could use ClickUp, you could use Jira, all these softwares, they do. I'm not saying that they don't give you these features, but they give it to you for a price. That's the fun thing about Monday.com. Monday.com takes nothing from you. All it needs is your password and your email, and you're good to go. That is all it requires of you, and that is all we gave it. And it gave us all these free features. So, that's the basic idea of Monday.com's free plan. And in my opinion, it is incredibly overrated, and I would definitely urge all you users watching this video to use it. So, yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.